I am Krishna Prasad of Protech Machinery Private Limited. I am the Vice President of the organization, taking care of sales and service activities throughout India. We represent a company called Fuji Machine Manufacturing Company from Japan, and we have introduced to the market new concept of modular turning machines, which has a very short footprint and a high performance machine. This product is modular in construction, so it has got modules, turning modules, which can be put side by side and expanded in course of time. And the footprint is very small and it occupies less space, and it has got an internal automation for loading and unloading the components. So it makes it very attractive, because the module can be expanded to the extent of 10 units together. So you can do turning, milling, drilling, all kinds, including deburring and washing. You can do so many operations in a set of modules. The Make in India campaign is a very good idea to boost the industry in India. Protech as a company has evolved with this concept inbuilt in itself. So we started the machine tool division way back in the late 90s and in 2000, and at that time itself we have bought designs from Japan, and we have started our lathe manufacturing program, and from there we have improvised and brought out so many new models which are import substitutes and compete with all international brands. So that way I think we have been doing it, and we will continue to focus our technological upgradation in this context. IMTEX has always been important to us. In the recent times, IMTEX has become more important because it is not just an Indian exhibition, it has become an international exhibition, because it attracts foreign manufacturers and foreign visitors and foreign machine tool builders as well. In that context, India is presented as a global partner to many of the other countries. That way IMTEX has become very important. In this present IMTEX, I have seen that the response has been tremendous, both by way of participation as well as by way of visitors. So I think this is going to grow and become much bigger. The logistics is going to be a big problem for the management of IMTEX. So they will have to look at other alternatives and see how they can accommodate as many participants as possible, and in providing the space and other facilities for display. My best wishes to IMTMA for organizing this fine event, and to the IMTEX. It has been a pride to be present in the IMTEX exhibition, and I also wish all the success for the Make in India concept. Thank you.